Pakistan's talk of cracking down on terror organizations operating from Pakistan. Is it for real? Let's talk about Hafiz Mohammed Saeed, the professor of terror. He is the litmus test as far as India is concerned. He is the man who's masterminded several terror attacks across India, including India's 9/11, the Mumbai 26/11 terror attacks. Yet, Pakistan appears reluctant to act against him. If Pakistan is actually serious about cracking down on terror, action against Hafiz Mohammed Saeed is the natural first step. If it is, and if that be the case, will the Pakistan army actually permit the civilian establishment to crack down on Hafiz Saeed?
For the Western world, he has carefully created the image of a scholar of Islamic studies who runs a charity institution. But behind this facade, Hafiz Saeed is the professor of terror. He's the founder of the Lashkar-e-Taiba and the Jamaat-ud-Dawa. He's the man who sent a band of 10 terrorists to wreak havoc in Mumbai. But in Pakistan, he's a respected citizen. In Pakistan, he openly instigates war against India. Headlines today caught Hafiz Saeed openly making inflammatory speeches at a rally in Lahore in February this year.
आज हमारे कश्मीरी भाई वो तकाजे पूरे कर रहे हैं और अपने पाकिस्तान के भाइयों से, आलमे इस्लाम के लोगों से आज वो यही मुतालबा कर रहे हैं कि तुम बाकी कामों को पर तरजीह देके अपने भाइयों की मदद के लिए पहुंचो.
Directly threatening India.
बंबई बंबई ये जो राग अलाप रहे थे, और एक बंबई क्या होता है?
But Pakistan continues to venerate the terror mastermind. On December 11, 2008, the United Nations Security Council had banned the JUD after receiving a request from India. Hafiz Saeed was detained and JUD's assets were frozen after the UNSC resolution. But in June of 2009, the Lahore High Court freed Hafiz Saeed of all charges. On the 25th of August 2009, Interpol issued a red corner notice against Hafiz Saeed. Following which, in September of 2009, Hafiz Saeed was once again placed under house arrest by the Pakistani authorities. But on the 12th of October 2009, the Lahore High Court quashed all cases against Hafiz Mohammed Saeed and set him free. The reality is that Pakistan cannot convincingly fight terror because it is finally of its own creation. Hafiz Saeed, the founder of the LET and the JUD, roams free while the organizations he has created are, for now at least, branded terror outfits.